Hello, dear aquarist. Today again, you're watching a video on a diseased fish that I diagnosed and first of all observed as a fish doctor, and then I used a microscope to to find out what did I miss with my naked eyes, which are limited. So I need a microscope to help me to find fish diseases. And today it's about a case about gourami, a diamond gourami, the Trichopodus leeri, which was suffering from a viral infection, lymphocystis, also called the cauliflower disease. Diseases, diagnosis, prevention, control, it's all described in my books and the link is below. So watch it. The link is below in the subscriptions. So there you can order the books to get more experience and advice what you can take as actions. Here we can see the Trichopodus leeri in the aquarium, and some fish have something on their body and fins. To be honest, it's difficult to see in this video. Maybe you see it. Yes, maybe you have better eyes than I have. When I'm now 70 years old, my eyes are not that perfect anymore. I also need glasses. And we took out one fish, and even on this observation, in this little plastic bowl, we could hardly see any spots or something sitting on the fins or the skin of the fish. But when we put that fish on a different light input, look at the skin, look at the tail, look at the little whitey spots sitting on that fish. Look at here. Look how badly the fish has been infected with something, which you could particularly see well with a certain input of light, from a certain influx of light that helps us to see what is going on. And when we took a scraping of that fish, well, we could see more obviously the giant cells. Those are cells which have a virus inside, and the cells blow up and become giant cells caused by the virus Lymphocystis, and therefore causing the cauliflower disease, the appearance of cauliflower on the fins and the skin of this diamond gourami. Also, the spleen was badly affected. You could see here all those bad parts. Well, this can happen as a secondary problem with this viral infection. And you could see here, on this particular view from the light on that fish, we could detect the viral infection. So this diamond gourami, well, you cannot use particular medications to control this. You have to give the fish help. You have to make sure the fish has the best conditions and that it doesn't get secondary bacterial infections, which can be treated. Yes, the secondary bacterial infections should be treated, but not the viral infection. The origin is usually the supplier, where the fish have been kept in horrible conditions. So improve the conditions of these fish, avoid overcrowding. Usually it's the same species that become affected. Sometimes adding catappa leaves to the water might help the fish, and some use sea salt, 5 grams per liter, to help the fish with this viral infection, to help to improve its immunity, its strength. And at the same time, we recommend functional fish food like Dr. Bassleer Biofish Food, Forte, or Aloe Vera. Details on fish diseases are available in my books. Or you can get specific training at my Patreon channel. So I hope this Diamond Gourami explained you the viral infection or cauliflower disease lymphocystis, and that sometimes our eyes are missing it. And so we have to watch very carefully our fish when we see they are behaving abnormally. Take your time, please. Watch your fish. Thank you for watching this video.